The new Airbnb we just arrived. Here we got Simply CM. Hi Simply CM. And as always, we go to the CR. What's this here? Oops. Basic need. Sink, toilet. Oops, mirror, shower curtain, hot and cold water, some shampoo and things, and for cleaning your butt, two different colors and two right shoes, so you don't steal the shoes. Very smart. And here we got a mirror. It's not super clean, I can see, but otherwise it looks clean in the place. Maybe aesthetic actually, to use that word. She's controlling the aircon. There's no ref in this unit. This is the third room, different room to stay in. Third or fourth, third different room to stay in. In this one, all the units are the same. So, what do you say?
It's nice.
Okay.
It's just there's no ref.
It's not ref. So, then again, we're just gonna be here for 3 nights, so who cares? That's it. Bye, bye, bye. I gotta see what's in the cabinet. 2 glasses. And a little cook utensils, and that's it. This one, my guess is it's empty. I've not opened it. No, there's actually something. Wow, 2 plates and 2, yeah. It's very minimalistic, always, only 2. But where is the internet?
Oh.
Internet, the Wi-Fi is up there.
There.
That's the Wi-Fi box. That's the style of this company. Putting it into a bird house, so they don't steal it.
Is it actually a birdhouse?
Nobody really knows. Anyway, that's it. Bye.